Begin by making sure your butter is soft enough to cream together with the sugar. Here is how it should look. Next, add in your eggs one at a time. Remember to scrape down the side of the bowl before sieving in your flour. Finally, add in your milk and only mix just until combined. No over mixing or you will have a dense bake. Cut out your paper to fit your square tin. This will ensure that none of the paper bakes into your cake. Cut enough paper that it fits up the side of the tin. Position in the centre. You can now draw on squares where you want to cut, but I'm just doing it freehand here. Now grease your tin well. I like to use Fry Light spray. Then position the paper inside your greased tin and smooth down. Apply more spray if needed. Cut off any excess overhang. Then simply fill the tin with your prepared batter and give the tin a few bumps on the counter to expel any trapped air before popping in the oven to bake. Bake until golden and test it is ready by inserting a toothpick, which should come out clean of crumbs. After a little cooling, apply your jam. Sprinkle on lots of the coconut. And finally, cut into 16 squares and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy baking, bakers!